How to post text on Instagram. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can post text on Instagram. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your Insta. After you open up your Insta, you can then tap on this plus icon on the bottom to create a post. So select what you want to create, and previously there was an option for text. Now currently there is no option, but there can be an option for text on the story section. So head over to your story and tap on this create option. After you tap on create, you can then type in whatever you want here. So after you type in whatever you want, and after you do that, you can then just tap on this, and what you can do here is you can actually save this text. After you save the text, you can then cross out this story section, then head over to this post on the bottom, then select the one that you just saved. After you tap on it, you can then tap on next on the top right corner and then post this very post. Now what you can do instead of this is, if you want a fun background, tap on this plus icon again, just select the picture that you want as a background, and then you can tap on next from here, and then you can add a text. So after you add a text, you can then place it wherever you want and then post this as well. And that's basically how you can post a text on Instagram, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.